Hello, good morning everyone. Hi, how are you all today, my students? Okay, so today our objective is to learn about division involving length, mass, and also volume of liquid. Okay, so everything today we're going to talk about division. All right. So last um last time, okay, we have touched also about division, but it involves with whole numbers. So today we will going to incorporate units of length, mass, and volume of liquid in the division. So as we know, division have a great relationship with multiplication. So they are related. So before we start our class, I want students to do your own multiplication table. Yes. Okay. So we know that we have to write our multiplication table. Okay, so you have times here, and then you can start with actually you can start with you can start with 1 if you want, or you can start with 2, but I will start with 1 then. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so again, same goes to the downwards. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so okay, so you can see here. My Bible also got a grid. Okay, got a square like yours. Okay, so if you're using your maths book, you can use it so that it's more easier for you to fill up the blanks. Okay, so so 1 plus 1 times 1, so we know already that it's all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you just copy down. Okay, so 1 here, and then the next is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 4, after 4 is 6, so 6. You do downward. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 9, 12. So 12, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 12, 24, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So I'm gonna copy down 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Okay, so 20 plus 5, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So downward, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Plus 6, 30 plus 6, 36, 42, 40, 8, okay, and 54. 36, 42, 48, 54. 42 plus 7, 49, 56, 63. 56, 63. 56 plus 8, 64. 72, 72, 81. So we have done our multiplication table. So next, okay. So next what we're going to do is, okay, we're going to learn about the words, okay, the list of words that involve division. Okay, so let's look into division of length. Okay, so first, the overall length of the coaches of a train is 14 meter. So students, look at here. If division, it starts with, okay, so we always have, okay, if in the mathematics sentence, all right? So we have always three numbers. Okay, so I would like to have first number, and then we know if like division, so our uh, symbol is division, and then second number equals to third number. Okay, the first number, okay, will always be a lot, will always be the total. Okay, so normally, okay, so what I will always tell my students, or you can notice, okay, that, okay, let me see, okay, that this first number will always be big or large number because it's a total, and then this one will go smaller. Okay, so normally students, you got to see that it mentioned first the overall length. Means overall means total. Okay, the other words for overall is total. So the overall total length of the coaches of a train is 14 meter. So we know, okay, it's start with a big number, with a total number, and then in the end it asks you to find, see, find. So this is the question, so this is the question, find the length of one coach. So in the end it needs only one coach, so it needs one from how many coaches? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So the overall is seven coaches. Okay, so this is seven coaches. But in the end, it asks you to find. So this is the one that you need to find. The equals, right? So find the one coaches. So it literally shows that you need to do division. So the first of all is you need to know what operation that we need to do. And then we place the mathematics sentence accordingly. So here it's 14 meter. Find the length of one coaches. So we have to know how many coaches altogether. There are seven. So that's why the 14 meter is divided with the seven coaches. Or in other words, it says this. Okay. So when it says like this, I just want you to see. Okay. Sorry. Okay. All right. So in other words, it says that if you have a seven coaches, you will have 14 meter of length. So equivalent to, if you want, and then in the end, if find one coach, how much? Okay. So when you have like this, it says that you need to do. So if you need to have one coaches, means one coach is equivalent to 14 meter divided by 7. This divided by this. Okay? So that's why we need to do division. Okay, so how are we going to use and find the answer? Okay, in division, it is related to multiplication. So students, look at here, 14 divided by 2. So in the multiplication table, okay, so we're going to find the 14. So we have to circle the 14. Okay, so you have 14 here. So I have 14 here. Okay, but it asks you to divide with 7. So inside here is 14, and then 7 you're going to find it outside. Yes, we have 14 divided by 7. You look on top. You see the L shape? Okay, so 14 here. Okay, the side is 7. The top is number 2. So meaning to say, okay, whatever you do, 14 divided by 7 is equivalent to 2 meter. So how, then we want to check back. Okay, so we're going to make a check. Okay, check your answer by having, okay, relationship. Okay, if in a multiplication, okay, we do in a vice versa, right? So 7 times 2 equivalent to what? Okay, check your answer. Okay, so 7 times 2 equivalent to 14. Yes. So the answer is 14. So it is the same. Okay, you just change place. Okay, so that's what we know, that multiplication and division are related to one another. So, okay, I am using this side. Can I use this side? Yes, of course. So here, this side is, you got to see on top. Oh, 7 is on top. So if you use the on top, the answer will be on the side, on the left side. Okay, so it's the same. Okay, because 7 times 2 is equivalent to 2 times 7. Okay, so whether it's a 14 divided by 7 equals to 2 or 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. So what I meant to say here is whatever you find the two number here, if it's related, you go on top or on the side. So you will get the same answer. So if you use 7 on top, so the answer is 2. If you use 7 on the side, so the answer is 2 also on top. Okay, so I hope you're clear about this, students. Okay, how to use your times table. Okay, next. Okay, we're going to see, okay, 760 divided by 4. Okay, so I always talk to my students that you 760 divided by 4. Okay, so I'm going to use this side. Okay, okay, let me clear this. Okay, because we're going to do the question. Okay. Okay, so another one here. Okay, so the question was 760 divided by 4. Okay, so we will write, okay, so we will write 760, the mathematics sentence, centimeter divided by 4 equals to, okay, so here, okay, so this is the mathematics sentence. So we're going to do the standard written method. Okay, so the method to calculate, okay, in a long division. So long division means you have to do this. 760 you put inside. Okay, yang di pertama tu letak dalam. And then yang kecil, okay, nombor yang kecil normally is small number. Or after divided by 4. Okay, so you put it outside. Okay, so now we're going to see inside. So we start with first digit 7. Okay, 7. Do you find any 7 here? And you know that you're going to divide with 4. So we concentrate in 4. So here, do you find any 7 here? Okay, in this line, or if you want to use 7 here, you can find, 4, right? So you look at 4. Look at 4 this. Okay, so 4 on the side. Say, okay, divided by 4. So is there any 7 in this line? There's no. But you're going to see what is nearest to 7. Apa yang dekat dengan 7, tapi dia kurang dengan 7. So here we have 8. Yeah. So we don't use 8 because 8 is larger than 7. 8 lebih besar daripada 7. So you don't use 8. So you use the number 4. Okay. Itu rule dia, cari yang dekat dan juga kurang daripada nombor yang kita nak bahagi. Kita nak bahagi nombor 7, right? Tapi tak ada 7, so tak boleh ambil 8. So kita ambil nombor 4. Okay. So bila 4, apa yang atas ni? Number on top is number 1. So letak 1 dekat atas. Sama macam dalam times ni. So atas tu 1 kan? So dalam tu 4. So letak 4 di dalam dan di bawah 7. And then we minus. Okay? So 7 minus 4 equivalent to 3. Okay. Dah letak 1. Kemudian ni baki. Okay, this is the remainder. Tapi kita tak habis lagi. So, we have to bring down the second right digit. Okay, digit yang seterusnya nombor 6 letak di sebelah nombor yang kita dah tolak tadi. Hasil tolak tadi. So, 36. Kita gabungkan 6 dengan 3 menjadi 36. So, saying, okay, dekat 4 ni, garisan 4 ni ada tak 36? Yes, we do have 36. Okay, atas dia apa? 9. So, 9 dekat atas and 36 letak dekat dalam. Dan we minus. 6 minus 6, 0. Or I put dot. 3 minus 3 is dot. Okay. Ada lagi digit yang tak diturunkan. Okay, you have still one digit more that you did not bring down. So, we bring down 0. Okay. Dekat sini ada tak 0? Tak ada 0. But you know that anything you divide, apa-apa yang awak darab dengan sifar akan jadi sifar. Okay, maksudnya kalau sini saya ada mula dengan sifar. Okay, 4 times 0 equals to 0. Betul? So, 0 sebenarnya ada, cuma kita tak letak sebab kita dah faham apa-apa kita boleh darab dengan sifar, kita akan jadi sifar. So, here, untuk dapatkan sifar, kita kena gunakan sifar lah. So, 4 times 0 equivalent to 0. Dan kita tolak macam tu saja. 0 minus 0, 0. Habis. So, titik. Titik tu maksudnya tak ada apa-apa dah. Melainkan nombor 1 dan seterusnya. Okay. So, we finish and then letakkan unit tu kembali. So, the answer is yang di atas. Okay. 190 centimeter. Okay. So, this is how you do your division. Okay. Yang ni kita dah buat. Okay. So, what about divide 140 centimeter by 5? Okay, so you try this. I will put this in your as a quiz. Okay, so you try yourself. Macam mana nak buat? Okay, 140 divided by 5. Okay, try ya. Okay, alright. So this one, when you have dua unit yang berbeza. Okay, let's look at here. The length of a horse stable is 17 meter 40 centimeter. Okay. What is the length of each section of the stable? Okay. Baik. Sekarang ni, again, the length of a horse stable. So, this stable, kandang kuda, the length is 17 meter 40 centimeter. Okay. So, dalam sini dia ada berapa pintu? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is the length of each section of the stable? So, each ni bermaksud satu. So, daripada 3 ni, 1, 2, 3, kita akan minta satu sahaja. We want to find one stable. What's the length of one stable? Okay, so, okay, mari kita lihat apa yang ditunjukkan dalam buku. Okay. So, ayat matematik dia 17 meter 40 cm divided by 3 sebab ada 3 section. So, when you divide by 3, okay, sama juga ni long division. Okay, so 17 meter divided by 3. Kita tengok dekat sini. Ada tak 17? Dalam sifar 3. Okay, so here. Ada tak 17? Tak ada. But we know ada yang paling dekat is 15. Tak boleh ambil 18 ya, sebab 18 besar daripada 17. So, we use 15. Okay, so bila divided, kita dah dapat atas tu 5. So, that's why use 5. Atas, then 15 di bawah. Kita minuskan, kita tolak. Baki 2. So, remember students, kenapa 2 ni letak atas sini semula? Okay, because yang ni ada unit. The unit conversion is different. Okay, so dekat sini, it's equivalent to 2 meter. Tapi kita tak boleh turunkan 4 terus. Okay, sebab di sini, unit ni meter. Okay, untuk meter dah habis dah. So, equivalent to 2 meter. Tapi, so dekat sebelah ni, sentimeter. So, kita tak boleh nak buat long division tadi. Okay, macam biasa. Maksudnya 2, and then turunkan 4 terus. Jadi 24. No, tak boleh. Sebab dia berbeza unit. Yeah? So, this one is the one that you must convert. So, 2 meter, convert to convert dulu to centimeter. 2 meter is equivalent to 200 centimeter. Okay, tukarkanlah. So 200 ni kita tambahkan dengan 40. So this is where conversion of unit meter kepada sentimeter. Tukarkan dulu. So 240. Okay, so 240 baru kita boleh buat satu-satu. So you can start with 2 actually. Tapi 2 tak ada. Okay, maksudnya 0 juga kan. Sebab dalam sifir, okay, paling kecil untuk 3 ialah 1. 3 times 1 equals to 3. So bila 2 ni terlalu kecil. So paling dekat ialah sifar. 0, right? So tak ada 2. So bila tak ada macam tu, you can go for 2 digit number. Okay, ambil terus 2. Kalau tak boleh dibahagi, ambil terus 2. Untuk yang pertama ya, untuk yang digit pertama sahaja. So 24. So 24 ada tak dalam sifir 3? So get here. Ada tak 24? Ada. Okay, so 24 ada, which is on top nombor 8. Okay, so 8. So letak 8 on top and then 24 minus. Okay, so bila minus 0, 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0 juga. So turunkan 0, sama macam tadi lah. So this is the answer. 5 meter and 80 centimeter. Okay, so ini yang teacher nak tekankan is the conversion. Bila dah ada baki, so you look your unit ya. Hati-hati dekat situ. Okay, 960 divided by 8. Okay, yang ni, okay, dia satu unit sahaja. But in the end, dia nak awak bagi jawapan in meter and centimeter. Okay, so this is different condition. So dia bahagi macam biasa, tapi answer dia adalah sepatutnya 120 centimeter. Okay, tapi bila dia nak jawapan dalam meter, so dekat sinilah baru awak buat conversion of unit. Ya. Yeah? So 120 ni 100 cm sama dengan 1 meter. Pecahkan atau bahagikan kepada 2 iaitu 100 dan 20. Okay, so 100 cm tu adalah 1 meter. Dan 20 cm tu adalah 20 cm. Tak boleh convert ya. So biarkan dia. Jadi jawapan dia 1 meter 20 cm. Okay, so ini cara bahagi dia tak ada conversion. Tapi bila nak dapat jawapan baru kita convert. Okay, so itu untuk length. Okay, so I hope you can try at home. Okay, then kita tengok untuk division for mass. Okay. So sama jugalah, cuma unit dia berbeza. So sila lihat sini. 15 kg ni untuk satu yang banyak. And then suddenly dia minta a packet. Satu. So dari banyak menjadi kecil-kecil kan. So when you have this, you have to count how many packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why divided by 5. Okay. So yang ni senang. Okay, so number 2, what is the mass of an anchovies of each ball? Okay, so dalam satu ball. So ballnya ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4. So divided by 4. Okay, number 3. Okay, so mudah ya. Number 3, calculate the mass of a packet of mussels. So a packet. A pun sama. A maksudnya satu. So sama jugalah. So kita kena kira berapa tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ada 8 tray. So I divided by 8. So bila dia divide, sekarang ni ke dalam kilogram, dia minta gram. Okay, so this one murid kena faham. 5 kilogram divided by 8. Kalau kita lihat dekat sini, you look into our whiteboard here. Okay. 5 kilogram divided by 8. Okay. Kalau dia tak minta, okay, tapi dia dah bagi tahu dia nak minta dalam gram. Tapi kalau dia tak minta lah ya, 5 divided by 8. Kalau kita kata kita tak tukar unit, 5 is less than 8 kan? Dalam sifir 8, kita tak ada 5. So quite difficult kan nak bahagikan benda yang sangat kecil. So that's why students dekat sini pun kena notice ada dia punya logic. Okay, so 5 kilo ni susah kita nak bahagi dengan 8. So kita kena convert kepada gram dululah. 5 kilogram convert to gram, kita kena times with 1000. Okay? So kita dapat 5000 gram. Okay, so the 5000 gram yang ni barulah kita divide with 8. Okay, so bila divided by 8, kita divide satu-satu lah. Okay, so 5. Tak ada kan? Okay, so tak boleh. So kita take 2 digits number terus. 50. Ada tak 50? Okay, kita tak ada 50 tapi kita boleh gunakan 48. So 48 sini. Okay, saya nak zoom sikit. Okay, 48. Okay, we use 48. 8 times apa jadi 48? Okay, so tengok atas tu. Atas tu 6 kan? So 6 letak digit 6 tu dekat nombor yang kedua. Students, you must be careful. Okay, jangan letak 6 dekat nombor yang pertama sini. So kita follow. Kalau kita ambil yang kedua, maksudnya 2 digit, belakang ni kita letakkan. So you put 6 at the 2 digit tu kan. Okay, digit yang belakang tu kita letak 6. Don't put on in front. Okay, so 48 kita minus. Okay, sebab apa kita nak tengok, kita follow the digits. Okay, kita ambil 2 digit, ambil digit yang kedua ni. Okay, letakkan 6 di atas. Okay, so 2. Okay, kita minus, kita dapat 2. Okay, so sini 4. Sini 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Turunkan 0. Jadi 20. So check back. Dalam sini ada 20. Oh, tak ada 20 but we have 16. 16 kita gunakan. Atas 16 adalah nombor 2. Okay, so tak nombor 2. Take 2 and then 16 di bawah. Okay. Turunkan lagi. So, you see, kalau kita buat macam ni, kita dapat track. Okay, now it's 40. Saya akan baca, saya akan letak jawapan di atas digit ini. So, that's why placing is very important. Ya, letakkan nombor tu sangat penting. So, hati-hati dan juga kemaskan tulisan anda. Okay, so 40. Ada tak 40 dalam sifil 8? Ada. Okay, atas dia apa? 5. So, we write 5 here. 40 down. Ada. Habis. So, unit dia gram. So, the answer is 625 gram. Okay, baru kita boleh bahagi. Kalau kita tak bahagi, tak tukar unit tadi, susah nak bahagi kan? Sebab unit dia 5 sahaja. So, meaning untuk dapatkan ni, kita kena tukarkan unit siap-siap. Okay, next. Okay, so sama juga untuk yang ni. Okay. Okay, so 30 kilogram, 612 gram divided by 3. Okay, untuk yang ni tak ada masalah. Tak ada pertukaran unit kan? Nampak ni? Sebab dia cun dekat kilogram ni. You see dia ada kilogram, finish up. Okay, 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. 0 divided by 3 equals to 0. So, you have 10 kilos. Okay, so this one tak ada naik pun. Sebab dia kosong. Okay, so seterusnya terus boleh buat. Okay, dekat sini try to divide. Okay, 30 kilogram 612 gram by 6. What's the answer? Okay, so students, ini untuk soalan awak juga. Okay, nanti saya akan tanya dalam quiz. Okay, try to do this. What's the answer? Okay, yang ni yang kita kena convert. Yeah, we have to do conversion. Sebab ada baki. So, ini 1 kilogram convert. Okay, bila dia ada baki 1, tapi dia dalam bentuk kilogram. So, unit seterusnya is in gram. So, you have to do conversion first. Okay, convert it so that you can combine together. So, 1000 plus 400 is 1400. Okay. Yang ni kena hati-hati. Okay. So, we have done the math. So, now we're going for liquid. Okay, so liquid also almost the same. Okay, division of liquid. What is the volume each? Each also equivalent to 1. Okay, each pail. So ada berapa pail? Pail is apa? Baldi. 1, 2, 3. So divided by 3. Okay, sama So actually division ni kalau dah tahu perkataan tu, the keywords, it's very easy. So you have to know the keywords, you have to know master your multiplication table, you will be doing fine. Okay, and then you know how to do your division. Okay, so yang ni pun sama, tak ada masalah. Okay, so yang ni pun tak ada. Okay, same ML and L tak payah do a conversion. Tapi here, okay, sorry. Yang ni ada. Ini 1 liter 210 1 liter and 20 ml. Okay, so dia ni minta ml kan. So kita boleh siap-siap convert the 1 liter to ml. Yeah. So 1 liter equivalent to 1000. So 1 liter ni sebenarnya 1020 ml. Nampak ni? So dia siap-siap bahagi dah. Siap-siap tukar unit. Okay, so do the conversion. Stronok, okay, it's very interesting because you need to play with the numbers, you need to convert, you need to change the unit. Okay, this is very fun. Okay, you play around with the numbers. Okay, yang ni convert dulu. Okay, this one, okay, question is into a different unit, tapi jawapan pun dia 2 different units. So tak perlu convert straight away, tapi bila ada remainder, okay, you see here, remainder 2. So 2 is in liter ya. Ini 2 liter ya. So bila I still want to continue, jangan berhenti di situ. Don't left it. Jangan berhenti di 2 liter, so saya teruskan dengan 5. No. Sebab dia ada remainder. So this remainder yang kita kena convert, okay, to milliliter. So this one 2 liter, okay, 1 liter, 1 liter is 1000 ml. So if 2 liter is 2000 ml. So yang ni lah dia pindahkan ke sebelah. And then dia campurkan. You know, see this? Dia tambahkan. So 2500. So barulah kita buat 25 divided by 5, 0 divided by 5, 0, 0 divided by 5, 0. So you have 500 ml. Okay? Alright, so the same goes to here. 3 liter convert to 3000. Okay? Okay, sini dia ada liter sahaja. Okay, tapi dia ada, but the answer wants liter and ml. Can you see this? Yeah. So, bila dia ada remainder dia 3. So, jangan kata, my answer will be 1 liter, remainder 3 liter. Okay, tak. Sebab dia masih boleh di-convert, boleh ditukarkan. You still can convert it to a smaller unit. So, that's why, walaupun dia 0 ml here kan, dia convert the 3 to 3000 ml. So that dia boleh habiskan pembahagian itu. So sebenarnya jawapan dia 1 liter 375 ml. Nampak sini is very interesting kan? Mula-mula tak ada ml pun. Kan? Tapi bila ni dia convert to ml, remainder dia. Okay. So that's all for today. Okay, discuss other methods to find the answer. Okay, about this. Okay, 11 liter divided by 8. Is there any method to find the answer besides this? Okay, besides this one, is there any method? Okay, if you have other methods, then you can share with me. Okay. If you find in other place, okay, other resources, okay, how to find other answer, okay, with different find the same answer with different method. Okay, we have a mind challenge. A watermelon with a mass of 4 kilogram has an estimated 3600 ml volume of water. What is the estimated volume of water in a watermelon with a mass of 1 kilogram? Okay. So here, dia cakap, a watermelon with a mass of 4 kilogram. So 4 kilogram, dia kata ada 3,600 ml. Estimated, estimated maksudnya anggaran. 4 kilogram anggaran air dia 3,600 ml or 3 liter 600 ml. Okay, so what is the estimated volume of water in a watermelon with a mass of 1 kilogram? So 1 kilogram berapa estimated? How many ml? Okay, so students, try to find this answer. What is your answer for this? Maybe I will do this as your quiz as well. Okay, that's all for today. Please answer my quiz and please answer your activity book. Okay, page. Okay, so division of length. Yeah, division of length, page 111, and then 116 and 121. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for learning with me, and I see you next time. So don't forget to answer my quiz. Okay, bye.